Here is the glass of wine. This is a medium huge glass of wine. And I'm gonna give a taste to my brother, Jean-Lucien. Come on, Jean-Lucien. Oh, I mean, oh my God. Oh.
It's okay. No, Jean-Lucien is my brother anyway. It's fine. It's totally fine.
No. Go. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I'm here with Fabio Lucien today to make this huge sangria wine for Thanksgiving. As you can see, I have my fruits already cut over here. I have grape, strawberry, pineapple, lime. My grape are already cut in half, and orange. This is the huge Franzia, the sangria, and my lemon lime pop. Alright, let's do it. First of all, I'm just gonna put my fruit in there. Strawberry. I don't have to use it all because pineapple. This pineapple is so sweet. This comes next. Apple, green apple, of course. We have orange. Lime comes next. This is a recipe that I found on the Gypsy Bartender. I love that guy. Look at this. We add the honey. Honey is so good. All right. Here comes the pop. Gotta open it. Ooh. Pop it up. Put it in. Yes, it's going there. We're gonna use about a half of it. Half. Yep. Then comes the Franzia. This is like over 100 years. Yeah, it's the one over 100 years. Just like this is. Let's open it. Woo. Let's get it. It's going there. Look at his huge wine. So huge. And it's going there. This is a flavor, especially we put the honey on it. It is so good. I have tried it before, it's so good, and today I wanted to share it with you guys. Give me thumbs up if you like it, okay? Thank you. Ooh. Then we can just add this pretty orange on the side. That's it. Here is the recipe for the sangria. Here is the medium glass. This is huge. Look at that. It's huge. I made a taste for Fabio Lucien. Come on, Fabio Lucien, come have a taste of this.
Yo. Yeah. Oh my God, look at this. Fantabulous. It is just fantabulous. I love it.
Yeah.
Let me get it for myself.
Okay.
You guys got this.
All right.
I'm out.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Mwah.